What causes hiccups? The ancient reflex mystery. You're chatting, laughing, or eating too fast, and then, hic! Uh-oh, a hiccup. But what's really going on inside your body? Meet your diaphragm, the dome-shaped muscle that lets you breathe. When it contracts, you inhale. When it relaxes, you exhale. But sometimes it throws a tiny tantrum, a sudden spasm that sucks in air way too quickly. Your vocal cords snap shut, and that's the sound of a hiccup. Why does it happen? Blame your nerves, the phrenic and vagus nerves. They connect your brain, diaphragm, and stomach like electrical wires. They accidentally trigger the hiccup reflex loop if they get irritated by fizzy drinks, overeating, or stress. The signal travels through your brainstem where a primitive hiccup circuit lives. And here's where it gets really weird. Some scientists think this reflex might be a leftover from our gill-breathing ancestors. Tadpoles and ancient fish used a similar nerve pattern to move water over their gills. And millions of years later, humans might still carry that ancient reflex deep inside. So next time you hiccup, remember it's not just your diaphragm misbehaving. It's your inner fish saying hello. Science is full of ancient leftovers. Subscribe for more Click Biology stories.